We're exploring kitchen. I make breakfast in the kitchen every morning. The kids painted a picture and hung it in the kitchen. The kitchen is next to the living room in our house. We decided to renovate the kitchen for a more modern look. My grandmother's kitchen always had the smell of freshly baked bread. She found a beautiful antique cabinet for her kitchen. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances. They transform their tiny kitchen space into a vibrant culinary hub. During the party, everyone gravitated towards the kitchen for snacks. We're exploring living room. We watch TV together in the living room. Can you set the table in the living room? The kids play games on the floor of the living room. I redecorated the living room with new curtains. There are 3 paintings hanging in her living room. We moved the couch to make more space in the living room. The living room was filled with laughter during the party. Guests admired the antique vase displayed in the living room. The warm sunlight streamed through the large living room windows. We're exploring bedroom. My bedroom is painted light blue. There's a large window in the bedroom. I keep my toys in the bedroom closet. Do you spend much time in your bedroom? I love reading books before bed in my bedroom. The bedroom has a calm and peaceful atmosphere. The layout of the bedroom was carefully designed for efficiency. They transformed the attic into an elegant master bedroom. She diligently organizes her bedroom to maintain a clutter-free environment. We're exploring bathroom. Where is the bathroom? I need to clean the bathroom today. Do you have an extra towel for the bathroom? The bathroom tiles need replacing soon. This hotel room has a luxurious bathroom. The bathroom mirror fogged up after my shower. I admire the modern design of your bathroom. Unexpected plumbing issues arose in the bathroom last night. Can you recommend a good bathroom renovation company? We're exploring family. My family loves having picnics on weekends. We have a family dinner every Sunday evening. Next month, my family is going on vacation. Family gatherings are a great way to reconnect. She values the strong support her family provides. Balancing work and family life can be challenging. The family legacy includes several historical achievements. His memoir explores intricate family dynamics and relationships. Family traditions are often passed down through generations. We're exploring breakfast. I have eggs for breakfast every morning. We had breakfast at a cozy cafe by the river. Skipping breakfast can lead to decreased energy levels. Do you want pancakes for breakfast today? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. We usually have breakfast in the garden on Sundays. My favorite breakfast includes a variety of fruits and nuts. During my trip, breakfast was a delightful blend of local flavors. A continental breakfast is typically served at European hotels. We're exploring cleaning. I need to do the cleaning this weekend. He enjoys cleaning his car every Sunday morning. The cleaning staff comes every Tuesday and Thursday. She finds cleaning the kitchen to be quite therapeutic. Cleaning the windows can really brighten up the room. We postponed the meeting because of the spring cleaning. Cleaning up after a big party is always exhausting work. Hiring a professional cleaning service might save time and energy. After the renovations, the cleaning process was particularly challenging. We're exploring laundry. I need to wash my laundry today. Can you help me fold the laundry? The laundry basket is full again. Where's the nearest laundromat around here? She spends Sundays ironing her laundry. I forgot to do the laundry yesterday. The fresh scent of laundry filled the room. After the trip, I had piles of laundry to tackle. Separating colors from whites ensures laundry stays vibrant. We're exploring dinner. What time is dinner tonight? We had chicken and rice for dinner. Did you enjoy your dinner last night? We're hosting a big family dinner this Sunday. She prepared a delicious dinner for her guests. Dinner will be served at the restaurant at 7 p.m. After the meeting, they went out for a late dinner. The chef created an exquisite dinner menu for the event. Despite the chaos, their family dinner was a success. We're exploring garden. The children love playing in the garden. She planted some flowers in the garden yesterday. He often reads a book in the garden on weekends. The garden requires a lot of maintenance in the spring. They decided to host the party in their beautiful garden. Our garden has a variety of herbs and vegetables. She found solace in tending to her secret garden. The intricate landscaping transformed their garden into a masterpiece. He constructed a greenhouse to extend the garden's productivity.